Hello everyone, in this video I just want to show you that you can use Desmos or a graphing calculator to solve any of these problems. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Desmos, we're going to type in the left hand side into one blank, then we're going to type in y equals 1 into the right hand side. So I'm just making these two separate equations, I'm going to find their intersection and it should give me my answer, which is positive 73. So let's go to Desmos, I'm going to type in log base 7 of x minus 10 minus log base 7 of 9. And then we're going to have this where it is y equals 1. Okay, so I want to see where this expression is equal to 1. So I'm going to zoom out and see if these guys ever intersect. And you can see that they're starting to get closer and closer over here. If you click on the lines, you can see a little gray point. This is their intersection and the x value is 73, which is exactly the answer that we got on our paper here. Okay, so let's try out problem number 2. I'm going to type in the left-hand side into one blank, and then I'm going to type the right-hand side into another blank. The reason we have to write y equals is because Desmos does not understand it's a calculator as well. So you have to say, no, Desmos, this is an equation. This is not just me trying to do some math here. So let's go in here, we're going to type in log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of x plus 2. Oops. Okay, and then we're going to do log base 3 of 35. And whenever I do this, see how it just says equals a number? It's not actually graphing anything. That's because we need to do y equals and make this become an actual line. Now I can see that these two things are intersecting right here, and this is the x value of 5. Notice that these things never cross again, so we also had the solution of x equals negative 7, but if you go to negative 7 on the x-axis, you can see that these things are not crossing. So looking over here at negative 7, there is no intersection there, so you can always double check your answer by typing it in Desmos. So let's try out problem number 3 now. I'm going to type in the left-hand side into one blank. Then I'm going to type in y equals the right-hand side. So going back to Desmos, log base 5 of x plus log base 5 of x plus 4. And then we're going to have y equals log base 5 of 32. And I could also type in y equals the first one. It does the same thing. Clicking on their intersection, the x value is 4, which is exactly the answer that we got for this problem down here. All right, and the very last one, I'm going to type in the left-hand side into 1, y equals 3 into the right-hand side, and we will click on their intersection. So we're going to have log base 2 of x plus 10 minus log base 2 of 7. And it looks like I did not. There we go. Okay. And then we're going to have 3. And if you just type in 3, it's like, what do you want me to do with 3? So you have to say y equals 3. But you could also put y equals up here. Like I said, it will give you the same thing. All right, and we can see that this is happening pretty far down. And this is where they're crossing. If you click on the two lines, it will show up the gray point. And the answer here is 46. So if we look back at our paper, we did get the answer of 46. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be very happy to help you out. Goodbye.